dance is called No Time to Talk. 32 count, 2 walls. It's an intermediate line dance, and there are 2 restart in this dance during wall 2 and wall 5 after 16 count. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, walk right forward, walk right, walk left, ankle step, back, recover, back, make a half turn to your left, and a quarter turn to the left, behind side cross, behind side cross. Section 1 with the count, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, step your right to the side, step left next to right, with a body angle slightly to the left. Step, cross, right over left, make a quarter turn to your right, another half turn to your right, mambo step with your left, rock recover back, and back coaster with the right, back together forward. Section 2 with a count, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3 is a box, full turn to the right. Step your left a quarter to the right, bring your right next to left, make a quarter to your right by stepping your right a quarter, bring your left next to right, make a quarter to your left, bring your right next to left, and make a quarter to your right, rock left over right, recover, big step to the left, and rock back your right, recover, and step your right 1/8 to the right. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Last section. Hip bump with half turn to the right. Hip bump, half turn to the right. Another half turn to your right with hip bump. Half turn. Rock, left, forward, recover. Make a sailor 3/8 turn to your left. Behind, side, turn. Let me do the section 4 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And you finish the dance here for wall 2. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In this dance, during wall 2, there is a restart after 16 count. Let me show you wall 2 facing 6 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. This is the end of 16 count. So to do a restart, you have to step your left forward and you transfer your weight so that you can start your dance on your right. So it goes and 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then from here you continue the dance. During wall 5, there is also a restart after 16 count. So that is the same way you will do it. After the 16 count, there is a change of count on the left side. You step forward on left and you start your right with walk, walk, ankle step.